Hi guys! Today we're playing Block Heaven.
Wow!
And this is my
Look
child.
at
This
this
is my
room.
bestie.
Look at this room, bestie.
Okay, I'm coming.
I'm just gonna call you mom because you're much bigger.
I know. I'm 9 and you're 8.
Yeah. Look at this mirror.
Yeah, I'm gonna make some breakfast. So you just wait here.
No, I'm gonna make our secret room, but I don't know where. There's no secret
No, there's
room.
secret in here.
Hey,
Look.
stay.
Look. There's secret in here.
For our money. Because I'm gonna explode
Wait,
the house.
you can decorate in here. Look, you can decorate in here. Come in here. Who the freak is that?
It's our house.
Who is that?
I blew our house inside.
Oh, just ask. I asked you. You can decorate here while I'm making breakfast.
It's only for cows.
Just decorate it. In
Fine.
here. You can-
I got my charger.
First, you need to wash your hands.
Andrew, stay.
And then,
I'm gonna rub somebody. Don't you dare rob us.
don't you dare rob us,
Stay at
brother.
the playground, okay?
Okay, so I'm gonna get. What do you want from leader? You want chicken?
Yes.
Okay. And then you will get milk or whatever. There. So.
Nakakuha na ako ng house niya?
No, wala pa eh.
We didn't.
And then I'm gonna get some. Come here, it's dinner.
I'm not done yet.
Just after.
Look at this, Mom.
Wait, let me see. Oh wow. There, your
Wait,
dinner.
no, come here, Mom. Come here, Mom.
Wait.
I'm gonna give you this card.
No need. I have that. Yan ay ko ah.
Wait, just take it.
Fine. There, take it.
Then look over here. Put it on this over here. Put it there.
Yeah, I know that.
Just do it.
Just take it. Just take it.
Thank you.
Just take it.
Thank you, Mommy.
Yeah, and wait, I'm gonna get your milk here.
Done.
I'm gonna get your milk.
Someone just banned me from their house.
You deserve that. Hey, where? This is your milk. Come back here. There.
Done. Bye. I'm skipping working in our monies.
Till I'm done. We're just gonna get. Yan, nakabalo ka. Di kong tiinting safe yan. Kabalo ka. Di kong tiinting safe. Ito na aming house.
I don't know.
Yan, i-click mo ito.
Andrew, where you go?
Click that. Yeah. There.
Mom, here's the payment.
Yeah.
Where are you, Mom?
I'm here. Wait. I'm
Here's
gonna give
the
you.
payment.
No, I don't need that. Yan.
What?
I have a gift for you.
What?
Close your eyes. Talikod, talikod.
Okay. Buy milk.
And then, go. Whee! There you go. Stick it, stick it, stick it, stick it, stick it.
It's raining. I don't love it.
Yes. I'm happy.
Lucky me.
Okay, so we're gonna go groceries. So come on, let's go. We need to.
I think my car's
Okay, so we're going to the grocery store. Just ignore my brother. He's fat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Give me the book.
Because he's fat, so we have to ignore
May
him.
lalaki ka mo, Dario. May punto din lalaki ah.
That is not our roommate, bro.
I love it. We are the best two rangers. What is the...
You want some pizza? Oh yeah, we have some pizza at our house. Let's get
Wait,
some
there's not a car?
milk.
Where's my car again? Oh, this is my car.
Roman.
How's my car?
Somebody take it because it's trash.
Someone take it? No, I think you did not take it.
Then let's get some Doritos. You want blue or red? I want it blue and red. Okay. You want some bananas or apple? Apple. Color what? Red. You want some bananas too? No. You want some chocolate? Reese's or what's this? Or Reese's? I like Hershey's. Okay. Here's my credit card. I'm gonna pay for it now. Bye. Okay. I got Okay, so let's go now. Do you want to play at the playground? You said it. You want to play? Do you?
Let's just annoy them. Yeah, let's just annoy them.
Let's go to party.
Yeah, where do I put my car?
There.
Oh, maybe
Come
over
on,
there.
let's go
There's a
now.
good parking lot.
Can we first go to the burgers and okay. No, come in the car, bro. Just park your car, though. I'm gonna leave you. Bye. Hey. Just come on.
Just this guy just looking at me. Sus.
Look at me. Look at you.
Come on, Mom.
Are you gonna get some food or what?
Ano mo pag kamay ganito?
I'm hungry. Do you want? Let's stay at the motel for a bit, for 1 day or 5 days. Okay? Why?
We are the same
I just
class.
wanted it.
Andrew, let's go.
Then I could run. Come on. I shift.
You're never gonna find
Okay, so let's go now. Let's
Wait,
go
I'm
to our
gonna
motel. I'm gonna park, man. How does it park? It only works for me. Oh. Come on, let's go to the motel. What's that? Just come on. Okay, there?
Ako mo dyan kung sino balay?
No.
I'm right outside your house.
No, you don't. Wait lang, Dave. Katulad sa balita. Okay. Let's go.
You just see my car right there, okay? I'm just gonna park there real quick. Because I'm taking a pee.
Dude, what?
My car is just sitting here now.
I banned our house. Why did you access our house? Because I see your browsers. Yeah, now come here, bro. Yeah, no, just come on.
I'm doing the drifting stuff.
Dude, you just stepped on me.
I'll get another.
danay.
I'm gonna hide. I'm hiding.
Lia ka tuli. Kabalo ko. Liana ba? Liana na. Go boys. Go. Jump. Yan na, dali yan. Lock na? I-lock quick. I-lock na. I-lock ko na. Lock na ay. Ipindot na. Oh. I-roommate ha ay. Okay, roommate ka na. Come, dali diyan na i-close ang door.
You know I can still see you, right? Hello, what's your name?
Ay, aswang. Gamay yung balay. Maybe. You know I can still break your phone.
Oh, hell no!
Uh-oh.
We're
You're
running
locked.
away. We're running away, okay? We're running away.
No way, sir. Can it be my dad? It's black, so he could... Shut the heck up, bro! Get out of the car! Pamunta ka.
Okay.
Sino ni?
Sino ano? You know
Si
what?
Papa, Nay!
Let's get
Dang, gidiklan mo mo! Wala ko to.
let's get a louder car. Maybe this. Yeah, this will be louder. Naman na ba?
Anong barya? Tutulog na ka mo?
Kambalada ko di sila ni Andy.
Amlay na.
Ay, hindi gali Andy.
Ganun. Manong bala?
This one. You don't deal damage in Roblox, but you deal damage, emotional damage. Okay. Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy.
This guy is weird. Who? That guy.
Hey,
Where's my house? Just wait lang, may tanong kasi magpatanong kasi. Just wait. Now, why are you angry at me?
drift.
This is drifting again.
This thing is hard to use. Let's just stick to my usual car. I'll just stick to my usual car. Hey, we got a new car, and it's beautiful. Buy me.
So, this is gonna be the end of the video because my brother is so annoying and robbing. So, I rob him. Yeah, so this is gonna be the end of the video. So, bye!
I'm not gonna